Hi everybody, welcome to Totally Dazzled and a Creative Life with Kris Hunter. How is everybody? We are doing fall and Halloween right now. I mean, come on. Okay, these are absolutely gorgeous. I haven't decided yet if we are going fall or if we're going Halloween. So let's make our pumpkin and let's decide, are we going fall, are we going Halloween, or maybe we'll mix the two. Maybe we'll mix the two. And I've just got a few other fabrics. Okay. How are we going to do a pumpkin if we don't have a pumpkin? Well, first we're going to paint this white. Let's paint this with some chalk paint. I'm using the color Plaster. This is from Waverly Chalk Paint. Now, a pumpkin. I want to do a pumpkin, so I'm going to set this to the side to dry, and I'm going to grab a piece of paper. I'm going to draw a pumpkin. Like that. Okay? That's how you would draw your pumpkin. I'm going to cut this pumpkin out, and I'm going to leave a little bit, about a quarter or an eighth of an inch. Really, you don't have to be that particular. Every single one of your pumpkins can be different. Now I'm going to take my fabric. First, I'm going to cut my pumpkin in sections. And I think I'm going to start under here. Now, I am going to write number 1, and I'll remember left to right. If I don't remember, y'all tell me. 3, 4. There is my pattern for my pumpkin. Now we're going to look at our fabrics. I want to get some color in there. I have this piece of fabric. This one's not tall enough, I don't think. Let's see. Yes, it is. Okay, all I have are 6 pieces of fabric. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my pieces of fabric and I'm going to say, which one do I not mind repeating? This one right here would be a great one to repeat because I can pick this portion right here that has the yellow, and I can pick this portion right here that has the red, and it doesn't look like the exact same fabric. So it still looks like we're using all different fabric. I am creating just a homemade pumpkin. Okay, let's do number 3 right here. I kind of like that. Okay. Okay. And I can, look, I made a Totally Dazzled pin cushion out of a crown. I'm gonna just pin this down on here and cut it out like a regular pattern. Okay, so that's number 3. And then we're gonna go here to, let's do number 6. 1. Ooh, that one just fits. Let's put number 3. We decided this middle piece would go on this. I think this is going to be number 5. and this one. Now, I'm gonna take these away. And just to keep these the way I need them, because I need to move them, I need to pick them up. I need to pick them up, okay? Here is our board that we painted. This was a board from Hobby Lobby. I took the price off. I think I got it for like 75 cents, something like that. It was a Christmas one. I want my pumpkin back. Will it go? Ooh, it will go like that. This is the direction we're going with this. This is gonna be our pumpkin. Okay, we're gonna take the tape off of each piece of fabric. And now you just start placing them. See those leaves and that fabric? There you go. I love that. You know what? I want a little more red on this other side. I think I want to go to the bottom. And then we're going to go... Oh, y'all, look at the bling on there. I want these pumpkins in here. Okay, hold on. Why couldn't we do something with this? Right now we're just looking, we're just creating. Just creating. That's what we're doing. Okay, if I do something like that. Oh my gosh. I am in love with this. I'm gonna use the 3-in-1 just because it will come out quicker and it will make it easier. We're not done with the Totally Dazzled. I have another idea with Totally Dazzled too, y'all. Let me look up here for a second. Look at the little squirrel. Can you see that? Could get away with that. This could come down here and tuck. I have to turn it around and look at it, y'all. I need gold. Okay, wait. Okay, I kind of like that. Tell me what you guys think. Here, let me pull this out. Oh, see, that makes it look like it's like a little scene in itself. I love that. Oh, look. Okay, so we've got 3 little scenes. Well, that's a cute little bow. Oh my gosh! Y'all, I said I don't want to do too much, right? The pumpkin has so much going on that, oh, wait. Or just put it right there in the center. That's going in the center. Sorry, guys. Oh, wow. Oh, this right here. Y'all, I think she's done. I love her. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.